A very good morning to all. Class 5, let's begin our second term portion with great energy. And today we'll start the portion of second term, first chapter. For starting the second term, I have taken an easy chapter which you are already learning from your class 1. That is money. You all know what is money? Yes, money is used to buy things. We all know when we go to market to buy anything, even the single pencil, what you need? You need money. Without money, the shopkeeper is not going to give you any of the thing. Right? The money used by a country is called the currency. Okay, as we know, there are different countries in the world, and the money which that particular country use, that is the currency of that particular country. We live in India, and our Indian currency consists of rupees and notes. We all know that in our country we use rupees and coins. Okay, coins and notes. Rupee is represented by the symbol this. This is the rupee symbol. Previously we write rupees like this, but now as we got our own symbol for rupee from World Bank, from the bank side, this rupee symbol we got, and paisa by the symbol this small p. There are 100 paise in a rupee, that we all know, that you have learnt from very beginning. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, I have chosen an easy chapter to make you on the track of study. Yes, now expressing money in figures and words. If money is given like 25 rupees 75 paise, okay, this is simply written. Now we have to express this form of money in figures. Figures mean in numeral form. So for rupees, we'll put this rupee symbol. 25 rupees, so 25, and this paise, for paise we put decimal symbol. Look here, 0.75, 75. Okay, as generally we read the numbers after the decimal as 1 like 25 rupees, this is 75 paise. Now we have to write this in words. So rupees 25 and 75 paise, we can write like this also, or 25 rupees and 75 paise. The latter on would be better. 25 rupees and 75 paise. Clear? In the same way, here only 25 paise, so rupee is 0, only 0.25. So this is 25 paise. Now, how to convert? This is just a revision what you have already read till class 4. Conversion of rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, what we do? The amount, the number of rupees, whatever is given with paise also, no problem. What we have to do? You simply have to multiply it by 100 paise. Why? As we know, in 1 rupee, that is rupee 1, you also have to write your classwork, and we'll start our exercise also. So this is chapter number 19, money. Okay, put the date over here. This is 15/09/2020. Yes, as we know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So whatever rupee is given over here, suppose this rupee 512.25 paise, so this is 512 rupees 25 paise. Now we have to convert this into paise. What we have to do? Simple. For 1 rupee, if we multiply it by paisa, 1 multiply 100, that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. In the same way, when we convert any of the rupee into paise, we just have to convert this given amount by 100. When we multiply this given amount by 100, this rupee is converted into paise. Easy? And what is the shortcut form? What I told you, if you want to convert and if we have to multiply it by 100, 0.25 double digit number is given, 00 is there, so we simply remove this point and this much will be paise. Understood? In the same way, let's take number B example, that is rupee, nothing is there in rupee, 32 paise, means only 32 paise is there. Okay, for decimal we don't need to write this p, simply this is 32 paise. Now if we want to convert this 0.32, as I told you, this is paise, but we need to show how to convert, so multiply by 100, this will become paise. What I told you, 2 zeros are here, so whenever 1 rupee or any of the rupee, we multiply by 100 only to get it into paise. And what is the simple form of division? To get the conversion, to get the number, simply remove this, digits are here na, 2012, so we will remove this decimal and this will become 32 paise. Here also, before 2 digits, 100 carry 2 zeros, 1 2, we simply remove this. Understood? This is very easy. Now what are the rules? Working rules. What are the working rules? To convert the given amount into paise, first write the amount in figures and then remove the decimal and write the same amount. This is very easy, right? As I have shown you in working like this, in simple way we can do it like this also. What you have to do, whatever rupee is given over here, you simply write it, put paisa, remove the decimal. Easy, no? See? Easy? This is misprint, this will become 5. Okay, 215. So this paise. This is very easy. Whenever we convert rupee into paise, what we do, we multiply it by 100. If you want to show the working, we have to multiply it by 100, put this into bracket and write after bracket P, that is paise. Or in simple way, if you want to simply write the conversion form, write the amount as it is, remove this rupee symbol, put the paise symbol, P, small p, and remove the decimal. I hope you understood this till here. Okay, now let's turn the page. Come to the next page. We have read conversion of rupee into paise. Let's move to the next page now. Now, what is there in the next page? As we have converted rupees into paise, we should know how to convert paise into rupee. Very easy. So, whenever from a small number we are converting into bigger, means from bigger value, when we convert into a smaller value, the figures increase. Like here, this is a bigger value, rupee is a bigger form, paise is a smaller form. When we want to convert bigger form into a smaller form, we multiply. And when we convert smaller form into bigger form, we divide. See here, conversion of paise into rupees. Now we have to convert this paisa into rupees. To convert paise into rupees, divide the given amount. Okay, for converting rupees into paise, we were multiplying by 100. This 100 is common. Okay, why? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Very simple. So when we convert now paise into rupees, we have to divide the given amount by 100. Suppose this example is given over here, 2825 paise. Now we have to convert this into rupees. You can choose a simple way also. What is the simple way? See, when we were converting the rupees into paise, what we were doing, we were just excluding the, just a minute, we were simply excluding the rupee symbol and decimal, and we were putting paisa. Correct? Now when it is given in paisa, what you have to do, you have to remove this paise, you have to write rupee symbol, and you have to put decimal. Where? As I told you, 100 carry double zero, so 1 2. Very simple. See, this is only has been done here. Yes. Now for converting, when we were converting rupees into paise, we were putting the numbers into bracket, and at last we were writing paisa. Now we have to convert paise into rupees. So what we have to do? See, this is second form. This is rupee into paise, this is paise into rupee. See, example number 1, 2825 paise. Okay, now this we have to convert paise into rupee. So now we will write rupee symbol at first. Okay, for converting into paisa, we were writing paise after the bracket. Now we have to convert into rupee. As we write rupee first, so we'll write rupee before the bracket, and in the bracket what you have to write, this number, that is 2825, you have to divide it by 100. Okay, simple. Now we have to divide this. What answer we'll get? Rupees, as I told you, 2.25 means simply write this, 2 zeros are here, so 1 2, put a decimal. Very simple, child, very simple. For rupee into paisa, we were removing the rupee symbol, we were removing the decimal, we have simply put the paise symbol. For paise into rupee, write this rupee symbol, remove the paisa, put the decimal. Very easy, no? See, working rule. To convert a given amount in paise into rupees, put a decimal after 2 digits. From the right side, this is your right side, so from here put the decimal, and we have to write this rupee symbol. So easy. Okay, children, so today we'll start with our exercise 19A. As I have chosen an easy chapter to make you start your study again for the second term, to make you feel with ease and comfortable, we are doing this simple revision of the chapters which we have already read. Now, express each of the following amounts in figures. Figures, you know, like this you have to put, right? Okay, rupees 23 and 30 paise. Very easy. We'll write rupees 23, so 23 point indicates paise. Okay, this decimal indicates paise, and 30 paise. See, rupees 23 and 30 paise, so rupees 23.30. Very easy. No need of writing p, children. Okay, just remember this. Decimal itself indicates that after the decimal this is paisa. No need of writing p here, otherwise you will get negative marking. Now in the same way, when you have to write this amount in words, okay, the question in the example we have read, like rupees 43.25 paise, no, we'll write as we were writing prior also, 43 rupees and 25 paise. So you'll write 43 rupees, 43 rupees and 25 paise. Understood? Okay. Now see this. Convert the following amount into paisa. Very easy. 42 rupees 30 paise. Okay. What you have to do? We have to convert this whole into paisa. This is given in words. This rupee and paisa. Don't get confused. No problem. Simply what you have to do? Remove this rupees. Okay. And 4230 paise. Now see here. 5681 rupees 25 paise. Remove this rupees simply because decimal is not here. It is written in words. So you simply remove this rupees and this whole will be paise. Understood? In an easy way I have told you how to write. See, in the same way, this is written in words form, 42 rupees 30 paise. See here, it is given in figure form as we have done in the example. Rupees 415.65, that is rupees 415.65 paise. But you have to convert this whole into paisa. So, but you have to write, children. Don't write directly the answers. Write this working. Okay? See, 415 rupees 65 paise. So you have to write here in bracket 415 rupees. See, like this. Question number A, rupees 415.65. So you have to show the working over here. Okay, in bracket you write 415 rupees 65 paise. Okay, and multiplied by 100. This will convert into paisa. What you have to do? Remove the decimal. Simply write this into paisa. Okay. First we have removed this rupee. In the bracket we write the decimal form. Multiply it by 100. After the bracket it will convert into paisa. Now remove this decimal also. This whole will become paisa. In this you can do directly like 4230 paisa, 43645 paise. But in question number 4 you have to show this working. Okay, in the same way, question number 5, convert the following amount into rupees. This is also very easy, but you have to show the working over here. Suppose this F number 17008 paise. 17008 paise. Very easy. What you have to do? You have to show the working. We have to convert this into rupees, so we'll write rupee. After that 008. For converting paise into rupee, we have to divide it by 100. Okay, paise will be removed as we have written rupee and we are dividing it by 100. Now simply what you have to do? Write is as it is, and from the right hand side as 20 in 100, 1 2. Converted. Very easy. So your homework for today, you have to complete this exercise number 19A in your school classwork copy. Okay, no problem. Classwork copy only you write this 1 2 3 4 5, that is exercise number 19A. I hope you have understood this chapter very well, as it is just a simple revision of chapter money. So complete your work in your classwork copy. Tomorrow again we'll start with exercise 19B, that is addition and subtraction of money. Till then, take care and bye bye.